Gary K says, Bratko, what do you think is the best Pepsi bezel type watch in each category? $250, $500, $1K, $2K, $5K. Listen to me, Bratko. I made this video because I want to save you. Do not buy mid-range watches. You want to buy Pepsi watch, you want to buy the best Pepsi watch in the world is Rolex GMT Pepsi. Point. They invented that thing. So, hear me out. You want to buy a Pepsi watch, you want to scratch the itch? I did. It's nice. You get a Seiko SKX Pepsi 009. If you cannot get it, get Seiko Turtle or something like that. Or get Orient Mako Pepsi. So Google those two watches. I will link you in the comments down below. I think SKX is overpriced now. People are paying $300 plus for it, so I don't think it's worth the money. So try to find some Turtle or some other Seiko with the Pepsi bezel. And that's it. Don't do it. If you want a Swiss made, you can get a homage from Steinhardt, GMT, Rolex GMT homage, but I do not condone that sort of behavior here on my channel. So that's it. Do not buy mid-range watches because you will lose your money. And 500K, 1K, 2K. Next watch you want to buy that has a Pepsi bezel as a Tudor GMT Pepsi. That's it. If you can afford it. If you cannot, get yourself a Seiko and save up for the Tudor GMT Pepsi. And if you're lucky, later on you can get a Rolex Pepsi GMT, but they are kind of hard to get. So Tudor, it could be a realistic option. Everything else in between is just a waste of money. And if you like wasting money, that's okay. There are plenty of great watches in the range of 1K, 2K, but get a Tudor Pepsi. You will thank me later when you get it. And Tony says, hi, which technology is better, Echo Drive or Solar Tough? Which do you prefer and why? Well, it's basically the same. Those are just different names. If you like Citizen, they are using Eco Drive watches. And if you like Seiko or any other brand, they use it solar. But basically, you have a battery below the dial and it charges via the artificial or sunlight. And that's it. So it doesn't matter. Which do I prefer? I prefer automatic or manual wind watches or normal quartz. And I'm gonna wrap this up with Howard Mayers. He's giving us a sage advice. He says, microbrands are mostly illusory websites which convey a false impression of craftsmanship and value. This is a reaction, his comment on my microbrands are shitters video, basically. Zinn, Damasco, RS Hamilton, and a host of others offer real horology with durable, mechanical, and fair prices. There are many credible Seiko Citizen watches for less than the price of many microbrands. Quality watch manufacturing is very involved and involves much more than popping up a movement into a case. Thank you. Much microbrands assembly is done by contractors in Asia. And $1,200 microbrand purchase may look good on the first, but the money is better applied buying a real watch. $1,200 microbrand will likely not fare well over time, while the real watches, even the moderate ones, will hold up over decades with just a little care and servicing. Amen to that, brother. But what are you saying to all those fancy YouTubers who are promoting them?